Welcome to this new session which is focused on accessing project files in AutoCAD Electrical. Okay, so in this session we are going to see how we can manage, how we can handle the files under project. Okay, so for that, first of all, you should launch the AutoCAD Electrical application. Okay, and once you launch, you have to locate the project manager palette, okay, which is over here. Okay, but now this is not accessible because there is no drawing opening to my application. So just open random any drawing for a moment so that the options will be get enabled for us. Okay, now here is the step, that is you should have to click on this project tab, which is third from the left side, right? The first one is home, second one is manage, and third one is a project. Okay, and once you reach this particular tab, you have to click on this manager. Okay, so once I did this, now it is not showing any changes in the screen. Why? Because the project manager already it is open. Okay, in some of you might be this is not open into your application, it will be look like this. So you have to click on this manager and it will give this pop-up like project manager. So this is the thing which you are going to help you to manage your files. Okay, so in this particular project you can see this is the section called as projects. So this section is going to help us to open a drawing, to close the drawing, to add a new project, or to delete any project or remove from the list. Okay, so now we'll see how we can add the drawings into your project and how you can create a new drawings into your project. Okay, but before that we need to have a specific project related with our task, right? If it is there, you can use the existing one. If not, you can create a new project by clicking on this icon, new project, name it demo, click on OK. You can change the directory. Okay, once the project is there, you can right click on this project, okay, still it is working. Yeah, now right click on this. Here you can add a subfolder, or you can directly go for creating a new drawing or adding an existing drawing into your project. Okay, let's see for new drawing. So to add a drawing into your project, you have to right click on your project and then just you have to click on new drawing, or you can go here. Okay, you can click on new drawing, just mention the name of your drawing, demo, then fill the respective details with respect to the drawing. So we'll discuss those details in upcoming sessions. Okay, we'll click on OK, and you can see the drawing will be get added into this project. You can explore the drawings by clicking on plus symbol next to it. Okay, over here, if you click on this plus sign, it will show the hierarchy of the drawings available into this demo. Okay, now we'll demonstrate the second thing, that is how we can add a drawing into our demo. So we have to follow the same procedure. Just you have to right click on the project and then you have to say add drawings. So it will help us to add the drawings, that these are external drawings which are not available inside this project. Okay, we'll just use this one and click on add. Yes, see, so this is how we can add the external drawings into our project. Okay, and to remove those drawings, you have to follow the next procedure, that is you just have to select the drawing first, then you have to right click on it and just you have to say remove. So it will remove from the list. So it is not going to delete the file, but it will just remove from this hierarchy. Okay, so this is how you can access the projects, or you can say the drawings under different projects. Here if you check, like if you go to the NFPA demo, so these are the existing files into your application. So like this, you can browse through your different drawings, and if you want to open one of them, You just have to double click on it and the drawing will get launched. Again, if you want to close this drawing, just simply click on this cross arrow, the cross button in this fashion. Okay, the drawing will get closed.